pretty, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. I recently picked up Jaclyn Hill's palette. This is her original one. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. It's the first one. Morphe had it on sale for like 20 bucks a couple weeks ago, so I picked it up in some other stuff. And I'll do another haul with that later to show you guys what I got. So if you want to see what look I've created, just keep on watching. So this is Jaclyn Hill's first palette, and with poor Jaclyn Hill, every launch this poor girl does, some drama always happens with her and some controversy. I don't know her. I wish I did. She lives here in Florida, in Tampa, not that far. Her and Nicole Guerrero, I love her too. They all live here in Tampa, and maybe one day we can all go out and get drinks. Wishful thinking. Anyways, this is her palette here. So it's a 37 pan palette, and all the shade names are on it. So I'm going to just create a simple look with it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's just play with this palette because I've heard good and bad things about it, but I haven't got into it to see what it's gonna look like. So before I start off anything, I'm going to put my Rumor One P. Louise base all over my eyelids like I always do, and then I'm going to dive right into this. So we're still quarantined here at home, but today is a special day because it's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom! Wow, this palette is very pretty. It's a really nice array of colors. I don't know if I'm gonna do a neutral look or let's just play with it. Let's just see. I think I'm gonna go in with the first color is it Pookie? This one here. And put that all over my crease to do that. So what have you guys all been up to besides just being stuck in the house, which I'm missing out on my entire summer vacation, and it's going to be, and I'm not going to be able to travel or anything this summer. That's okay, I could save money. But I am bummed because we were going to be going to Luminosity again. And that's not going to happen anymore. Oh well, it is what it is. Well, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Also, my favorite DJ, he's been playing for 6 hours. He's in Amsterdam right now. Hi Ben, I know you'll never see this, but go show him some love. I will link his page and his YouTube and Instagram and everything down below, so you guys go check him out. He's quarantined over in Amsterdam right now, and he's been doing a lot of live sets from his house, and they've been on point. Today he's doing a classic set. Yes. I think I'm gonna go in with Hustle. Hustle is this color next to Twerk. I'm not good at swatches. That's the color there. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe MR39 brush to do that. So I'm gonna go in with the color Hustle. Just put that all over my... This color's pretty. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can see what the heck I'm doing. These colors are really nice. So far they're going on really nice. They're blending very nice. I haven't really blended yet, so I do like it. I just don't know what's going on over here. It looks really red on camera, but it's not. It's more of a brown. I don't know. See, he's still playing right now. He's live on Twitch. There he is. Yay! A lot of DJs are live streaming from their homes or wherever they are quarantined at, just to bring music to all their fans all around the world, and it is very nice. So it also is nice to give back to your local DJs and the ones away. If they have a PayPal or Venmo or whatever, send them a couple dollars here and there and they will appreciate it. The next color I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to try Soda Pop. That's this dark brown kind of color down here. It's really pretty. And it looks like Dr. Pepper. I don't know if Jaclyn's a Hill Dr. Pepper or not, but that's what it looks like. That's what it reminds me of. I'm gonna pop this in my outer corner. Oh wow. Look at that. That is really pretty. Nice. This is blending very nice. Let me get my blender, my Morphe blender brush, and blend this out. Because if you don't blend, you'll get screamed at on. How pretty that blended out. That blended out really nice. I really like these colors. These colors are very nice. So far, this palette is very beautiful. Ooh, this color is screaming out to me. This color Diva down here. Let's see where I can put that one. I will do a little swatch for you. That is very pretty. Oh, there's a little bit of fallout with that color. See the fallout? Wow, these colors are very blendable. I really like this palette. Now I have to go get her other one, but I'll have to wait till I can save up for that one. I'm very cheap, if you didn't know. I'm very, very cheap. I don't like to pay full price for anything. Wow, I'm impressed. So I'm gonna take the color to work. I have to. I gotta do it. Oops. This purpley color here. I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. Colors are not doing justice on camera. So again, I know you guys are all bored and stuff at home. So here's some couple things that you guys can do. Start a YouTube channel. Something you always want to do. Just get your phone out and record yourself. You can do so many, there's so many videos and stuff you guys can create. You can do makeup looks, you can review products, you can review whatever you have at your house. You can cook. Cooking is a very good thing because everyone likes to eat and everyone's home. There's a good niche right there. Even if you're not even good at cooking, you can teach yourself how to cook. There, done, perfect. Anyways, I'm going to come off camera, finish up this look. I'll be right back. Alrighty, my look is done. Okay, so if I get copyrighted, I'm gonna have to take this all out. You know what, I'm just gonna turn it off because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I love listening to him. Okay, so do my thoughts on the Jaclyn Hill original palette. Yay, definitely give it a thumbs up. The colors are very blendable. The only little problem I have with Diva, there was fallout with it. I used the color Jada right next to it and I put some of it, I mixed it in with Diva and it came out like really pretty. And I put Twerk on my bottom lash, my lower lash line. I really do like this palette. It's very fun and versatile. I definitely recommend this palette. I know it's an older palette. I know a lot of people have already have it and they've reviewed it, but I didn't get a chance to review it or play with it yet, so I really do like this palette. So yes, I do recommend this palette, and I really do like her, and I like Jaclyn Hill. I know she's going through a lot right now. Take a break from whatever it is, all this stuff, and regroup, and you know, nobody's perfect at the end of the day. She's a businesswoman. I do want to get her newest palette that came out a couple months ago, 2 months ago. I didn't get it yet, but I will get it eventually. And I will do more looks with this because I really did like it. But anyways, I just hope you guys are safe and continue to listen to authorities because we have to save summer. Save summer, save the rest of the year, save Halloween. Save Halloween. Halloween. I love Halloween. Anyways, so that's it for today. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video ring my bell, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody, and all you cool cats and kittens.